I'm scouting some land here, and it's right next to this federal building. It's got barbed wire all around the fencing. Probably not the smartest thing for me to be here with my scope going through the chain link fence. But look at this tree. Now that is a huge telltale sign of a honeybee nest in there. It's pretty cold right now, so I'm not seeing any activity, but I'll come back here once it warms up again. But I'm going to call this building and see if I can get access to that tree to inspect it. Wouldn't that be awesome if I can get in? Okay, I'm getting out of here.